Welcome to our introductory guide on pelvic power, specifically designed for men over 50 seeking to enhance their vitality and control. Today, we'll explore the often overlooked yet incredibly crucial pelvic floor muscles, understanding their function and importance. These muscles form a vital hammock, supporting your bladder, bowel, and prostate, playing a central role in your body's core stability. A strong pelvic floor is absolutely essential for maintaining optimal bladder and bowel control, helping to prevent common issues like urinary leakage. Beyond just control, these muscles significantly impact circulation within the pelvic region, which is fundamental for overall vitality and sexual health. Regularly strengthening your pelvic floor can lead to improved confidence, enhanced performance, and a greater sense of well-being as you gracefully age. Now, let's learn how to correctly identify these muscles, which is the first and most crucial step in any effective pelvic floor exercise routine. Imagine you are trying to stop the flow of urine midstream. The muscles you engage for this action are your pelvic floor muscles. Another way to locate them is by imagining you are trying to prevent passing gas. The gentle squeeze you feel is your pelvic floor at work. It's important to note that these are internal muscles, so the movement will be subtle, not a large, visible contraction. Once you've identified them, practice gently contracting and relaxing these muscles a few times to get a clear sense of their engagement. Now, let's discuss some common mistakes to avoid, ensuring your exercises are effective and safe. Firstly, avoid holding your breath. It's crucial to maintain normal, relaxed breathing throughout your pelvic floor exercises. Secondly, do not clench your buttocks, thighs, or abdominal muscles. The focus should solely be on the internal pelvic floor muscles. Overclenching other muscles can lead to tension and reduce the effectiveness of your pelvic floor workout. Remember, quality over quantity is key. A few correct contractions are far more beneficial than many incorrect ones. By understanding and correctly engaging these muscles, you're taking a significant step towards improving your overall health and well-being. Join us in the next segment as we delve into specific exercises to further strengthen your pelvic floor. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to guiding you on your journey to enhanced pelvic power.
Welcome back to our series on pelvic health for men over 50. Today, we're diving into segment 2, a guided 3-minute pelvic power routine. This routine is designed to strengthen your pelvic floor muscles, crucial for bladder control and overall well-being. Remember, consistency is key. Let's begin with our first exercise, the 1-minute slow hold. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Now, gently contract your pelvic floor muscles as if you're trying to stop the flow of urine or hold back gas. Hold this contraction for a count of 10, focusing on a deep, steady squeeze. Ready? Let's start. Hold. Release slowly. Take a deep breath. We'll repeat this for another 10-second hold. Contract. Release. Good. Now, let's do one more. Contract. Release. Excellent. You're doing great. Now let's move on to our second exercise, 1 minute of quick pulses. This exercise focuses on rapid contractions and relaxations. Again, find your comfortable position. We'll do quick, light squeezes, releasing fully between each pulse. Aim for a gentle, rhythmic motion. Ready? Let's begin. Pulse. Keep going. Pulse. You're halfway there. Pulse. Just a little more. Pulse. And relax. Great job with the quick pulses. Finally, we'll conclude with our third exercise, the 1-minute endurance hold. This challenges your ability to sustain a contraction. Get into your comfortable position. Now, contract your pelvic floor muscles and hold them for as long as you can, up to 30 seconds. Focus on maintaining a steady, firm squeeze without holding your breath. Ready? Let's start. Hold. Keep holding. You're doing wonderfully. Maintain that gentle squeeze. And release. Take a moment to relax your muscles. You've completed the 3-minute pelvic power routine. Remember to practice this routine regularly for optimal results. Consistency truly makes a difference in strengthening your pelvic floor. Thank you for joining us in this segment. We encourage you to continue prioritizing your pelvic health. See you next time.